free parking as always.
Right, pretty cold out here. Not too bad at ground level, but as we ascend some heights, you can probably see it's going to get a lot colder. We're going to head up St Sunday Crag, or maybe up to Fairfield, but we'll see how far we venture. Hopefully it's not too icy, but yeah, hope you enjoy the trip. Just about to start the walk, but we nearly left you behind. Super icy up here. We're trying our best not to lose our grip because that'll be a bad start to our holiday. But yeah, first day of our holiday, and as you can see the weather's as good as it gets really. Bit of snow, which I don't mind too much. Clear skies. Say first day. Yesterday was technically our first day, but we spent that day meeting up with Jess's family in Kirby Stephen. Got to our accommodation last night and went to the pub for something to eat, so technically this is our first proper day, and look at it. Couldn't ask for better, could you really? We were originally going to do Helvellyn today, but by Striding Edge, but with the snow and the knife edge point, we decided against it because, I mean, look at it. It looked great from just here, to be honest.
Lethal is what it looks
Yeah,
like.
we don't have crampons, so we decided against it. I think for the best, thanks to this one.
Clever.
Absolutely awesome. We just spent 5 minutes or so getting some photos. Just this little platform is. No. St Sunday Crag done. Far too windy, you can barely even breathe. We might talk, you wouldn't be able to hear us, but I honestly didn't think we were going to make it. But we did.
We made it!
We're on the route down. If it wasn't so windy and it wasn't so icy, we were going to contemplate going up this one, but we're just going to head down to that tarn and walk all the way back through the valley. It should be good. It's been good. It's been tough. Well, there might still be some tough bits on the way down. Hopefully not though, but we'll see.
And I just want some lunch.
Yeah. Came on a bit of a escape path, as you probably call it. We were gonna head up Fairfield, big, but the winds are just far too strong. You're probably looking at about 50, 60 mile an hour when you're up on the top, so we just come on a little bit of an escape path and we're gonna head towards, I'm not sure what that town's called actually, but it looks pretty. We've got quite a lot of the gear, but we were without crampons, and to be honest, I think it's only crampons we were really missing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, if we had crampons we might have attempted it, but I think the wind more than anything played in a factor. Now we've come down a bit lower, it's a lot, well, there's barely any wind at all, hence why you can hear me, but up there you couldn't hear us at all. It's wobbly. Finally got the chance to stop off for some much needed lunch. Nice sandwich made by Jess.
Happy days.
Nice sandwich, some chocolate buttons, a saurine bar, just having a protein brownie and a coffee.
In the sun.
In the sun, and then we're going to head back to the car Yeah, it's been a tough one. Shall I see if it's open?
What?
Let me see if it's open. It's just a bothy, isn't it?
What?
Is it a bothy or? Looks like a bothy.
What?
A bothy.
Oh, look at that waterfall.
Oh yeah. Back on the flat ground. As you can see, we've just come down from all that behind us.
So pretty.
Extremely challenging hike today. Didn't expect it to be that hard. But yeah, we made it.
Nearly blew away.
Yeah.
Especially me.
Took us a lot longer than we anticipated.
A lot of face plant and arse plant.
Still en route back to the car. It's been a pretty waterfall.
Yay.
Yeah, still en route back to the car. It's actually taken us quite a while to get back. Hopefully it'll be soon. It might be getting dark by the time we get back. But at least we're on flat. No wind, no ice.
Well, a little bit of ice.
A little bit of ice. But... And there's a tractor coming. Sheep having a good little feed. It's asleep. As you can probably see, we're back in the accommodation. Just had some food. It got pretty dark towards the end, so it wasn't worth filming much, but we made it home safe. We just had some tea, chilling out now, beer in hand. And yeah, actually there's one thing I'd quite like to show you. This is a pretty cool 3D map of the Lake District. Show you where we went. So we started in Patterdale. don't know if you'll be able to see this, and we walked all the way up to St Sunday Crag, back down to Grisdale Tarn, and then took this route through the valley, back over the little beck, and then back along and onto the road, past a couple of cool accommodations actually, a couple of rentals and some sheep and stuff, back on and back into Patterdale, and that was our day.